Hey guys, I'm out here today. I've got some things figured out, I believe, with the GPS. If you've seen my routes and tracks, and it would stay off on the routes and actually run the tracks a little bit better. Let me show you what I did to fix that. And it seems to work a lot better now. I tested it out yesterday. And it's a real easy fix, and everybody with a Garmin chart plotter needs to do this. If you're in the United States, then you need to do it. It takes literally seconds, and if you don't know it, you just don't know it. What I found out is these things come as a default for worldwide use and not USA only. So in USA, we need to use the USA satellites, which is WAAS. Let me show you what we got. All right, so from our home screen, if you can see this, from our home screen, we click Settings, and then now we're going to go up here to System, and then on System, we're going to go to GPS, and then right here, I know it's probably blinking because electronics seem to blink on screen for some reason. WAAS, it comes as the default as off. So you need to switch it on. Just click it. Now it's off, but click it and then turn it on and hit your back, and that puts you more in line with dead on accuracy. I mean, within 5 feet of everything. So before I was 20 feet, 3 feet, so it would vary a little bit. And this right here seems to work tremendously a lot better. So anyway, hope this helps out. And if you hadn't seen my routes and tracks, watch it, and then you'll find out, you know, why I even dug in to find this out. I mean, it's pretty basic once you know it, but like I say, if you don't know it, you just don't know it, and I didn't. So anyway, I hope this helps you out. Give me a thumbs up, like my videos, and subscribe. Help me out. So the more thumbs up I get, the more it helps my videos and helps everybody see it and helps everybody. So regardless, see you next time. And I think there's a dolphin out here. I'm gonna see if he'll pop back up for us. Anyway, he must find a shrimp deep. So regardless, see you next time.